Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to copy, paste, and cut files in Samsung Android phone. What I mean by this is you're going to learn how to copy file in your phone from one folder of your phone to another, and how you can move files to different folders. Okay? So without taking much time, let's get it rolling. Okay, all right, the screen of my Samsung phone is cast on my computer, and the next step is to show you how you can do this. So I will access the files section of my files section. Okay, so let me get to the internal storage by clicking on that spot. Okay, inside the internal storage there are so many folders created already, and I want to copy a file. I want to move a file from one of these folders to another. Okay, let me just access the messenger. Okay, let's say I want to move this file to another place. This one I just pressed and selected. So press and select the file you want to move to another folder. So hit the move button, well, I say tab, that's at the bottom part of it. Then move back and get to the folder you want to move this file to. Okay, so let me look for a new folder I want to move this file to. Let's say I want to move it inside Canva. Okay, so as I open the Canva folder, the next thing is to click on move here. As I've done that, the file has been moved from where it was before to this new folder. So if I am to access it, it will no longer be there. All right, okay, so let's go and check. So this is the pictures folder where the file was before. You can see the file is no longer there. Okay, where I'm carrying a baby is no longer there. Okay, all right, let's go and experiment again on how we can carry other tasks of copying. Okay, let's try out copying. Okay, so I'm already in the standard storage of my device, so let me open one of these published books. Okay, let me enter the section of Word 2022. Okay, let's say I want to move one of these files, the PDF file. I want to copy it to another folder. So what I will do is just to press and hold, which is the first step. And when I did that, some icons appears at the bottom part of the interface. Okay, here I want to copy, I don't want to move again. I'll copy by clicking on the copy icon. Okay, then I'll move back and then locate the new folder I want to move this to. I want to copy this to. This is copying. So let's assume I want to copy it into another folder named Samsung. So I will click on that folder for it to open. I'm already in the open. I've already opened the folder. The next step is to hit the copy here button, which is at the bottom. Okay, at the bottom right. As you can see, this file has been copied to this new folder. If we go back, we see that the file we have copied to that place is still in the original major folder. Okay, so where did we get that from? I think we got it from the published book or so. So anyway, no, that's okay, published books, and I moved into words. You can see the file still exists inside this same folder. So that's the difference between moving a file and copying a file to another folder. Understand the difference. When you move a file, that file is moved from the initial folder to a new folder, and it doesn't exist on the initial folder again. Okay, but when you copy a file from a folder to another folder, the file moves from the initial folder to a new folder. The file is copied from the initial folder to a new folder, while it remains also in the former folder. So I hope that is clear. So these are just the few steps you need to take to move file from a folder to another folder, and also how you can copy a file from one folder to another folder in a Samsung Android phone. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button or leave a comment. If you are not subscribed to my channel, maybe you are watching my channel for the first time, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, as that will make a great difference to my channel and I want to grow. Thank you and see you next time.